Hi from StoryWhys. For this episode, we'll be looking at how to teach your students to take the perspectives of different characters in storybooks. Increasing your students' ability to infer the thoughts and feelings of others will have a positive impact on many different social and academic areas. Perspective taking is a critical skill needed for reading comprehension, as well as for comprehension of movies and videos, for your students' comprehension of their own social interactions, and even for school subjects like social studies and drama. Teaching perspective taking can be done using the combination of the feel, think, say, the thoughts and feelings, and the feelings thermometers sections of StoryWhys book companions. You can find these sections in both the comprehensive StoryWhys book companions, which target many different language skills, as well as in the Spotlight series book companions for perspective taking and social inferencing. Today, we're using the sections from the book companion for The True Story of the Three Little Pigs by John Sieska. Here we go. Print out the Feel, Think, Say pages, the thoughts and feelings cutouts, and the feelings thermometers, and cut out the thoughts and feelings images. Each Feel, Think, Say graphic organizer is tailor-made to a specific, important moment in the story. As you read the book with your students, pause on the pages that have a Feel, Think, Say graphic organizer associated with them. Relevant characters will be labeled, and dialogue, if there is any, will be pre-filled in the speech bubbles. You can see the specific page in the book that the graphic organizer is designed for by looking at the page number on the left side of the diagram. The first component to be completed on the Feel, Think, Say graphic organizer is character feelings. The feelings thermometers are a tool to help your students do this. The purpose of the feelings thermometers is to find the most precise emotion words that capture how each character is feeling. You can see that feelings are organized first by comfortable or uncomfortable. I've found that most kids have a pretty good sense of whether feelings are comfortable or uncomfortable. Then, using cues like events and dialogue from the story, as well as any body language that is depicted, try to determine the category of emotion for the character, then fine-tune by the degree to which the character is feeling it. For example, on this page, we can infer that the wolf is having uncomfortable feelings in both the confused and mad categories. When we think about the intensity with which he's feeling these, it might make sense to choose both perplexed and annoyed. As for the pig, he seems to be feeling both mad and scared, so perhaps fearful and furious might be good fits. Keep in mind there are many potential correct answers here. The key is to have your students making logical inferences about character feelings, thinking about the degree or intensity of the feelings, and then choosing precise, higher-level vocabulary to describe these feelings. Once your students have determined the best words, write them in the characters' feelings hearts on the Feel, Think, Say diagram. You can then encourage your students to make a guess about what the characters are thinking. Again, there isn't one correct answer here, but rather you can encourage your students to make a good guess based on the characters' feelings and the events of the story. Depending on their literacy levels and your goals for them, you can either write their responses or have your students write in their own responses. Finally, the thoughts and feelings cutouts are there to help explore thoughts and feelings on pages that don't have a designated Feel, Think, Say graphic organizer, but still have dynamics you want to emphasize with your students. Thanks for watching. For more on StoryWhys book companions, subscribe to this channel or go to storywhys.com.